Want to boost your English vocabulary without boring lists? Today we're learning vocabulary in a fun way, through a story called The Lost Key. You'll hear some advanced words, and I'll show you how to use them. Ready? Let's dive in.
Last week, I had a dilemma. I was rushing to work when I realized my key was nowhere to be found. I rummaged through my bag, nothing. I felt frantic. Should I call a locksmith? That would cost a fortune. Then, I remembered, I'd left it on the kitchen counter. Relieved, I dashed back home, grabbed it, and made it to work just in time. Phew, crisis averted.
Let's break down some words from the story and how to use them. Word number 1. Dilemma. It's when you're stuck between two options. Example. I had a dilemma. Skip class or miss my bus. Replace problem with dilemma to sound more advanced. Word number 2. Nowhere to be found. It means something is completely gone. Example. My phone was nowhere to be found after the party. It's a chunk. Learn it as one phrase. Word number 3. Rummaged. Meaning, searched messily. Example. She rummaged through her closet for her jacket. Swap looked for rummaged when it's chaotic. Word number 4. Frantic. Meaning, panicked. It's stronger than nervous. Example. He was frantic when he lost his wallet. Use it for high-stress moments. Word number 5. Cost a fortune. It means it's very expensive. Example. That vacation cost a fortune. It's casual, great for everyday chat. Now it's your turn. Write a short story of 3 to 5 sentences, using at least 3 of these words. Maybe it's about losing something or solving a dilemma. Record it or comment below. I'd love to hear it. Hit like if you learned something, and subscribe for more tips.